stop him. He is considered extremely dangerous and...
I'm gonna follow you around because I'm too scared.
If you hear a chainsaw in the distance, leave the area immediately and avoid back roads or isolated houses. Report all sightings at once.
Thanks. I'm gonna go
Stop.
in here.
Stop.
What the Bye! Close my door! This ain't your door! It's so loud! What's happening? Turn out!
Oh, I'm so scared.
Close the door! It just
hiding.
killed bro. It just
hiding.
killed bro.
I'm scared. What the frick?
Guys!
I hate this press bar. I hate this press bar so much. Oh my god.
This corner over here, you see where I'm at, is very good, yeah?
Mama, I'm scared. Where are you?
I'm in the bedroom, get in here!
I don't know which one's the best.
Get him with the corner! Get over here! Hey, you go. You crouch! Stop! You're blocking my eyes! You're blocking my eyes! Move! Move! Shut up! I can't see anything! Shut up!